If you want to invest your fund in stocks or in trading or in real estates, then check the links in the description below. In this video, we will see impedance combination example. Question: calculate VO in the circuit of figure. Here in this circuit, we have to find this VO. Solution: as we can see, this circuit is in time domain format. So first of all, we will convert this into its equivalent frequency domain form. So convert it into its equivalent frequency domain. So here this is a voltage source. So Vs is equal to 20 cos 10t plus 100 degree. Now it is in time domain format. It is in time domain. So convert it into its equivalent frequency domain. This will be capital Vs is equal to 20 at an angle 100 degree. And the value of omega is equal to 10 radian per second. So this is in frequency domain. Frequency domain. Now here this is 0.5 Henry. So the value of this inductance in frequency domain will be 0.5 Henry. This will be converted like J X L. So this will be J into omega L. So this will be J into the value of omega is 10 and the value of inductance is 0.5. So this will be 5 J 5. Now for this 10 ohm, this will be 10 ohm in frequency domain will be 10 ohm. Then 1 by 20 farad. So 1 by 20 farad. This will be minus J X C. So this will be minus J 1 upon omega C. So minus J 1 upon the value of omega is 10 and the value of capacitance is 1 by 20. So 1 by 20. If we simplify this, so it will be 1 upon 10 into 1 by 20. So it is 2. Now we got all the values in frequency domain form. So let's replace these values. So this 20 cos 10t plus 100 degree will be replaced by this value 20 at an angle 100 degree. So 20 at an angle 100 degree. This 10 ohm will remain as it is. Here we can see this 10 ohm will remain as it is, but this 0.5 Henry, this will be replaced by J5. So this will be J5 and this 1 by 20 farad will be replaced by minus J2. Minus J2. So we have to find the value of this current I and then we have to multiply this I with this value, then we get the value of VO. So let's find the value of impedance first. Let's say this is Z1 and this is Z2. So here this J5 ohm and 10 ohm. This J5 and this 10 ohm are connected in parallel. So this will be, first let's simplify this. So J5 parallel with 10. So it will be J phi into 10 divided by J phi plus 10. So this will be 5 into 10 divided by I phi plus 10. So it is 2 plus 4j. So again we have to add this. Let's say this is Z1, this is impedance Z1 and this is Z2. So total impedance will be Zeq is equal to Z1 plus Z2. So this is the value of Z1. So it is 2 plus 4j plus the value of Z2 is minus J2. So therefore Zeq is equal to, this will be 2 and this will be plus 2j. This is the value of impedance in rectangular form. Now we can easily find the value of total current I. So total current I is equal to V upon Zeq. The value of voltage is 20 at an angle 100 degree. 20 at an angle 100 degree divided by Zeq is 2 plus 2j. So let's solve this in calculator directly. So 20 at an angle 100 divided by 2 plus 2 into I. So this will be 4.05. This is in rectangular form. Let's convert it into its equivalent polar form. So shift 2, 3. So it is 7.07 at an angle 55. Since it is current, so its unit will be ampere. Now we can easily find the value of VO. So VO is equal to current I multiplied with impedance Z2. So the value of current I is 7.07 at an angle 55 multiplied with Z2. The value of Z2 is minus J2. So minus J2. So therefore VO is equal to, let's solve this in calculator directly, 7.07 at an angle 55 7.07 at an angle 55 into minus I into 2. So this is the answer in rectangular form. In polar form, this will be shift 2, 3. So it is 14.14 at an angle minus 35 degree. And since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. And this answer is in frequency domain form and it is in polar form. And we need answer in time domain format. So VO is equal to, VO of t is equal to 14.14 cos omega t. The value of omega is 10. So it is 10 t and minus 35 degree. And since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. And it is in time domain. Time domain. So this is the final answer for this question. Also remember that here we have compared this equation with the standard equation is V is equal to Vm cos omega t plus phi. Here also the equation will be VO is equal to Vm cos omega t plus phi. This minus 35 is the phase angle. So this is how we can find the value of VO. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.